everybody, welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens Review. I'm Larry the Pen Bug Guy. So, are you ready for another mail call? Let's do it. This one, my friends, comes from one of my subscribers, and a special thank you to El Paso, Texas, baby, for Robogato. So, I believe that's how you pronounce the name. So, let's get to open, see what Robo sent me. Probably Robert, I would think. I'm guessing. Am I right, Robo? So let's see what's in this package. It's like Christmas! Essay! All right, calm down. Calm down. Here we go. Here we go. Here's what's in there like that. And then, oh, wow. Got a lot of cool stuff in here. And I will read your card after a while. Wow. Let's see here, folks. Let's see here. Robert. This would be cool. Look at this. Wow. I'm digging this. Look at this. He sent me some keychains, man. Larry's Fountain Pens. Pen Bug. Cool. Cool. And then here I am. And all my glory. Right there. Isn't that cool? Larry's Fountain Pens. Larry's Fountain Pens. Wow. That is really amazing, dude. Hey, peace, love. You're dynamite, man. I wasn't even expecting this. Man, that's awesome. Totally awesome. So, let's see what's in here. Boy, blew me away. In 2020, my first blown away, all right? First blown away, blown. So, I'm hip, and I'm dynamite, and I'm ready for a brand new year. God willing, let's do it together. Here we go. Oh, looky here. He sent me a new one. Would you like to say the name and all that good stuff, Mr.?
I believe that's Olfa.
Okay, and what is it?
It is a precision tough snap-off knife.
Wow. Okay, well, hey, gracias. Thank you, my brother. So, I will be checking this out for sure, my brother. So, thank you from the heart. God bless you, man. You rock and roll, my brother. And hey, don't forget Troy LaPlante. I got your shirt on, my brother. Who is Troy LaPlante? Troy LaPlante is a buddy of mine, one of the nicest pen reviewers, one of the nicest families I've ever met. Lovely, sweet wife. The kids really, just very polite, well-disciplined. And this is their dad's shirt. And I am proud to wear his shirt and to mention to all my viewers, check out my buddy's reviews on Troy LaPlante. There it is right here. Tell them Larry from Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews sent you, okay? Dynamite. Thanks a lot. God bless. And until next review, be safe, my friends. And remember, don't text and drive. I'm out of here. Bye-bye. Hold on. Let me try to look at this. Ta-da! Okay, again, a special thank you to Ricky and Manny. Much love back to you guys. You guys are definitely magnifique ese. Ya te miro ese. Que te vaya bien. Later. Bye.